Hey guys! So I'm going to a party and I have nothing to wear. I've done my makeup and hair. So I'm wearing a fitted sleeveless top with my palazzo pants, and the only dupatta that goes with this look is this black dupatta. So let's create a party look. So take your dupatta inside out, fold the lace and wear it around your neck. So make sure both sides are of equal length. So now take a safety pin and pin up the top section like this. Smooth out this extra fabric and use a safety pin to keep it in place. And then repeat the same on the other side, and it looks something like this. I'm securing the folded lace with the help of a safety pin. Now start pinning up these two ends with the help of a safety pin till the end. Let's decide the width of the dupatta you want at the back. Pin up rest of the dupatta so that you don't have to adjust it every now and then. So you can wear an off-shoulder top with this one instead of the straps showing and go for the off-shoulder look. But this look is not complete yet because I'm going to wear my fancy waist belt to define my waist and to be a little hands-free. So this is the golden belt that I'm going to wear to define my waist and to add some details to my look. And this is the final look, guys. So when you turn around, lace will be visible at the back, and that's the advantage of wearing your dupatta inside out. And we are party ready. See how this trick has completely transformed my look from this plain and simple to this fancy. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this dupatta trick, and I see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and be the best version of yourself. Bye.